Alright, this problem involves decimals, and so a lot of times students want to get rid of the decimals. So we have a 0.7, a 0.5, and a 50. Remember, anything inside parentheses does not need to be affected by this. So the 0.7 and the 0.5 both have one decimal place, so the maximum number of decimal places is 1. So we're going to multiply each term outside parentheses by 10. So the 0.5 gets multiplied by 10. Then a lot of times we forget that the 50 also has to multiply by 10. So that is going to give you 7 times x plus 20 plus, that's going to become 5x. And the 50, which also has to get multiplied by 10, is going to become 500. We have to keep everything fair. So if we move the decimal point one place here and one place there, we have to give this one another 0 to keep the equation balanced. So from here, you're going to distribute the 7. So 7x plus 140 plus 5x equals 500. 7x plus 5x would give you 12x plus 140 equals 500. Then we can move the 140. Let me change colors here. Alright, we should be at 12x equals, that's going to be 360. And divide both sides by 12. And x should be 30. Now you can solve this without multiplying everybody by 10 and just treating the decimals as they are, and you'll get the same answer. This is just a strategy a student showed me to get rid of those decimals. You just have to make sure to treat both sides and each term outside parentheses fairly by multiplying by the same number across the entire equation.